So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what a statistical function and how does this approximated distinct function work in Power BI. So the DAX provides many functions for creating aggregations such as sums, counts and averages. These functions are very similar to the aggregation functions used by Microsoft Excel. And now this approximated distinct count function, it returns the approximate number of rows that contains the distinct values in a column. Now there is one disadvantage of this approximated distinct count function, that it can only be used in a model using direct query. So I will just show you over here. I will go to home and create new measure. Just a second, it is getting loaded. And over here, if I search for this approximated distinct count function, I can't see this function in my Power BI because I am not using direct query as of now. That's why this function is unavailable for me. That's why this is one of the disadvantage of this function. Now let's try to understand where you can use this approximated distinct count function. So I will just close this. And if you see the data set that I have, it is basically the online retail data set. It has multiple columns and category is one of the column. Now let's say you want to find out what all distinct, how many distinct categories that you have in this data set. So for this, to get the solution for this query, you can make use of this approximated distinct count function, and it will return you the number of distinct categories you have in your data set. So in this way, you can make use of this approximated distinct count function, which is the statistical function available in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.